Massive interest. Zulu 001.
Nat Rep, good morning, sir. This is the Master Controller. I have a track of interest in the system for you. Zulu 001. He's east coast heading northwest right now at 35,000 feet.
Yeah, I can see it on your radar.
Roger, that's understood. Coningsby Operations and QRA. This is the Black Dog Master Controller. Acknowledge.
QRA.
Q on. 4 quick reaction alerts. Scramble, 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 acknowledge.
QRA.
We have scrambled 2 QRA jets to intercept this lost comms aircraft. 1 jet has been cleared to the front.
Climb flight level 410 and 400. Set speed initially decimal and 9. Your mission, interrogate.
What other information have we got on this aircraft?
He's still out of radio contact with air traffic control.
Russian 66 from Q2, interceptor aircraft.
Q2, Black Dog, confirm the response.
You were a hostile aircraft. That's quite threatening.
They'll be giving